I'm overlanding from Texas to Utah and exploring 1,000 miles off-road in the process. From the $1 Million Highway to the world-famous ice climbing in Ouray, this is the Alpine Loop. It's a section of abandoned mining routes that zigzag through the mountain towns of the San Juan region. These towns include Silverton, Ouray, Telluride, and Lake City. So, on day one, we wake up on the outskirts of Durango. Mission today is to make it all the way to Silverton, down the $1 Million Highway. But first, let's make some coffee. Continuing northwest out of town on 550, aka the $1 Million Highway, we'll immediately take a turn onto Ophir Pass Road. You'll be met with a fork in the road. Left is a direct pass to Ophir Pass Road, or you can go right, which takes you through a river crossing. Obviously, I opted for the river crossing. Unlike several of the other Alpine loops such as Black Bear, Engineer, Imogene, etc., Ophir Pass is surprisingly tame. It is considered a badge of honor trail, which is really cool. But for the most part, it consists of fire roads which are fairly well groomed, with the occasional obstacle, but the scenery is absolutely spectacular. Unfortunately, on this portion of the trip, Ophir Pass was closed down. The section that takes you down the mountain into Telluride was impassable due to snowpack. So I turned around and headed towards Red Mountain Pass. This happened to be a blessing in disguise, as Red Mountain was just breathtaking. Very similar to Ophir Pass, but the views are spectacular. Highly recommend. Unfortunately, towards the end of the day, my batteries ended up getting low, and I wasn't able to record the rest of the passes. Along these, I did Imogene and Engineer, but after several long days of off-roading through the Alpine Loop, I hook it over into Moab, where we finish our 2-week and nearly 1,000-mile off-road overlanding adventure. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.